welcome to all. In yesterday's session, we have discussed about pointer arithmetic and pointers and arrays. So in this session, I will be discussing the topic called pointer and character strings. That means how the pointer is used to access the character strings. So pointer is used to create strings. For example, if I declare character star str is equal to hello, here hello is the string that is stored in the string name str. The above code creates the string and it stores its address in the pointer variable str. The string created using the char pointer can be assigned a value at runtime. Here char star str is a string name and str is equal to hello. Here hello is assigned to the string str. The content of the string can be printed using printf or we can use puts. So the printf statement becomes %s comma str. If we write it in puts statement, the statement becomes puts str. Here str is a pointer to the string and it also the name of the string. Therefore we do not need to use the indirection operator while printing in the printf statement. Let us see the example. So in this example, char star price tags. Here I have declared one array with the name price tags of type character. Because we are using the string, so I have used the data type character and I have declared cheap, costly, moderate, luxury, deluxe, expensive and affordable as the array name. Okay, here price tag, it is a array of pointer. The base address of the cheap is stored in price tag 0. That means the first element of the array price tag of 0, it holds the base address of the name or string cheap. Similarly, the string costly I have declared as a second string. The address of this second string is stored at the base address of this second string is stored at the location price tag of 1. So like this we can use pointers in arrays.